Are you tired of spending hours at the barbershop waiting for your turn? Say goodbye to long queues and hello to convenience with the top 5 best hair clippers of 2024. In this video, we're showcasing the ultimate hair clippers that are revolutionizing home grooming. From precise trims to professional style fades, these clippers have got you covered. Links to purchase are in the description below. Starting off at number 5, we have the Wahl Color Pro. Perfect for beginners, this clipper comes with color-coded guide combs for easy hair length identification. Transform your grooming routine with the Wahl Color Pro cordless rechargeable hair clipper and trimmer. Designed for men, women, and children, this innovative clipper brings cordless convenience to your fingertips. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to freedom with the Color Pro cordless, which can be used with or without a cord. No more searching for the right hair length. Our color-coded guide combs make it effortless to find and remember everyone's favorite length. Maintain hygienic grooming habits with removable and rinsable blades that are easy to clean. Simply rinse them underwater to wash away excess clippings and trimmings. Enjoy smooth and easy haircuts with a variety of cutting lengths, all pain-free to adjust. Reference the color key on the face of the clipper and attach the corresponding colored comb attachment for quick and seamless trimming. Perfect for grooming on the go, the Color Pro cordless offers 60 minutes of run time, making it ideal for travel, vacations, business trips, and more. Plus, its worldwide voltage compatibility ensures you can use it anywhere in the world. Give the gift of Wahl this holiday season. Our clippers, trimmers, massagers, and shavers make perfect Christmas gifts for both women and men. Upgrade your grooming experience with the Wahl Color Pro cordless rechargeable hair clipper and trimmer today. Next up at number 4 is the Wahl Elite Pro. Engineered for durability and performance, this clipper delivers precision cutting with its self-sharpening blades. Elevate your grooming game with the Wahl USA Elite Pro high-performance corded home haircut and grooming kit for men. Designed for precision and durability, this electric hair clipper is your go-to tool for achieving professional quality haircuts at home. Featuring the finest precision blades, the Wahl Elite Pro ensures a smooth and precise cut every time. The self-sharpening blades stay sharp longer, allowing you to effortlessly cut through all hair types. Plus, the adjustable taper lever makes it easy to fade and blend for seamless transitions. With secure snap premium guards equipped with stainless steel clips, haircutting at home has never been safer or smoother. These guide combs provide added security and ease, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience for all. Powered by a robust and durable motor, the Wahl Elite Pro delivers superior performance and power to tackle even the thickest hair types with ease. Whether it's beard, scalp, or mustache grooming, this high-performance clipper has you covered. This grooming kit comes complete with premium accessories, including shears/scissors, a styling comb, a cape/bib, blade oil, a cleaning brush, a handled storage case, a drawstring pouch for guards, a cord wrap, and a blade guard. Everything you need for a professional-grade grooming experience right at home. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for home use, the Wahl Elite Pro is proudly made in the USA. Upgrade your grooming routine today with Wahl, the trusted brand for hair clippers, beard trimmers, and mustache trimmers. Coming in at number 3, we have the Bevel Pro all-in-one clipper and trimmer. Designed by barbers for barbers, this clipper offers versatility with its adjustable blade settings. Experience precision trimming and styling with the Bevel Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer for Men. Crafted to meet the highest standards of grooming, this trimmer ensures a clean and sharp finish for all your grooming needs. Designed with barbers in mind, this trimmer delivers barber-quality performance that is perfect for both personal and salon use. Its powerful motor ensures smooth and effortless cutting, giving you professional-grade results with every use. Enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience with this hair clipper and trimmer. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility, and move freely while grooming without compromising on performance. Never worry about running out of power mid-trim again. The Bevel trimmer comes equipped with a long-lasting 4-hour rechargeable battery, providing ample runtime for multiple grooming sessions. Spend more time perfecting your style and less time worrying about recharging. Sleek and durable, this trimmer features a stylish black finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming station. Made from high-quality materials, it is built to last, ensuring durability and longevity for years to come. Make grooming a breeze and elevate your grooming routine with the Bevel Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer. It also makes for the perfect gift for him, whether it's for Father's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. At number 2, we present the Bobis Bro Barberology FX1 Clipper. With its powerful motor and ultra-sharp blades, this clipper delivers professional-grade results every time. The Bobis Bro Elite Pro professional cordless clippers and trimmers with interchangeable battery. This cutting-edge clipper is designed to revolutionize your grooming experience with its innovative features and precision performance. The Elite Pro clipper comes equipped with a new interchangeable battery system, featuring a quick release button for hassle-free battery changes. Each package includes the clipper, battery, and charging base, ensuring you have everything you need for uninterrupted grooming sessions. Featuring the new FX8022BL Blue Ultra-Thin Metal Injection Molding (MIM) blade and the powerful N1 brushless motor, this clipper delivers unparalleled efficiency with 6,800 RPM/13,600 SPM. The dual ball bearings ensure smooth operation, allowing you to achieve precise and consistent results with every use. With 8 comb attachments included, you can easily customize the length of your cuts to suit your preferences. The clipper's blue ultra-thin metal injection molding blade is designed with a built-in oil reservoir for constant lubrication, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Whether you're cutting hair of all textures, this professional hair clipper offers unmatched ease and precision. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for extended periods, while its cordless functionality provides flexibility and freedom of movement. Experience the ultimate combination of performance, versatility, and convenience for all your grooming needs. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Andis Master Cordless Clipper. Offering unparalleled performance and freedom of movement, this clipper is a game-changer for at-home grooming. The Andis 12660 Professional Master Corded/Cordless Hair Trimmer, the ultimate grooming tool for achieving precision cuts and close trims with ease. Crafted with quality in mind, this trimmer features overlap blades that deliver crisp, clean lines and sharp edges, making it perfect for trimming hair, beard, sideburns, and mustache. Its versatile design makes it suitable for all ages and all hair types, from fine to coarse. Whether you prefer corded or cordless operation, the Andis Professional Master Trimmer offers flexibility and convenience. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy handling, while the powerful lithium-ion battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous operation on just a 1-hour charge. Adjustable blades allow you to customize your cutting length from size 000 to 1, providing smooth and precise grooming results. The upper blade features fast feed action and is designed to stay sharper for longer, ensuring consistent performance with every use. Included with the trimmer are essential accessories such as a charging stand, charging adapter, blade cleaning brush, and blade oil, ensuring that you have everything you need for optimal maintenance and performance. Experience professional quality grooming at home with the Andis 12660 Professional Master Corded/Cordless Hair Trimmer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, these hair clippers will elevate your grooming routine to the next level. Say hello to effortless styling and goodbye to salon visits. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade your grooming arsenal today with one of these top-rated hair clippers. Links to purchase are in the description below. Thanks for watching.